afternoon, everybody. My name is Major General Joseph Ssemwanga. I am now the Commander Reserve Force of the UPDF. I've just taken over the mantle of leadership of this service, having taken over from the outgoing Lieutenant General Charles Awany Otema. First of all, I want to thank the outgoing General Awany Otema for the very, very good work he has done for this service. He has done a lot of work to make sure that this service moves from one level to the other. And what he has done includes, but not limited to, training, building coordination centers, and making sure that our reservists and veterans as well are connected to developmental programs that are from the central government. I also want to congratulate him for having established regional and district coordination centers for our reservists, and these are very key in ensuring that these people have centers where they can get coordinated to government programs and where they can be easily mobilized, because the reserve force is one of those key components that has to take care of our homeland security. So I want to thank him very much for the good work he has done. I also want to thank the Commander-in-Chief of the UPDF and our President of this country for having entrusted me with this huge task of taking it up from where the Lieutenant General Otema has left off. I also want to thank the Chief of Defense Forces, General Alur, for the trust that he has put in me to ensure that I build on the foundation that has been left behind by Lieutenant General Otema. And I want to pledge my total commitment, loyalty, professionalism in ensuring that we take the reserve forces to the next level. I understand Lieutenant General Otema has left me a very good team of performers who I hope to work with very, very closely so that we build this very, very great service to our country. So I want to thank everybody, and I want to pledge our total commitment, our loyalty, our professionalism in ensuring that we take the reserve force to the next level. Thank you very much.